If you're visiting Paris, you usually do not need a car. The metro, RER, buses, and trams can take you almost anywhere in the city and surrounding region. In this guide, I'll show you how to buy tickets on your phone and how to use the ticket machine at the station. In order to buy tickets, you can download the Bonjour RATP app on both Android and Apple. You would use the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store respectively to download and install. Start by opening the Bonjour RATP app. From the home screen, you can plan a route, check maps, view schedules, check traffic information, or buy tickets. The important button is the tickets at the bottom right. The schedule section lets you search for stations and lines. This is helpful before traveling. It can also be useful to check the traffic tab. This shows the RER, Transline, Metro, and other line alerts, so you can avoid surprises before starting your trip. When you tap tickets, the app gives you two choices. If you want to validate tickets directly with your phone, choose On My Phone. The app may ask you to install the phone ticket service app, which only takes a few seconds. If you have the rechargeable Navigo Pass, which you can get from a customer service agent at the train station, I'm going to switch to On My Navigo Pass, and then tap Read My Pass. The app will use the phone's NFC reader to read the card before showing available tickets. Place the Navigo Pass flat against the back of your phone. Keep it still for a few seconds while the app reads the pass. If it does not work, move the card slowly around the back of the phone. When you see pass detected, the app has successfully read your Navigo Pass. Keep following the prompts and wait for the ticket catalog to appear. The catalog shows different categories. Tickets are for occasional trips. Navigo tickets are for daily or regular travel, and Paris visit tickets are designed for visitors who want a multi-day pass. In the single tickets catalog, you can choose options for occasional journeys, such as airport tickets, metro to train tickets, or bus to tram tickets. Make sure to check the current price in the app before buying. The Navigo Tickets catalog shows pass options such as a one-day pass, a weekly pass, and a monthly pass. Choose the pass that matches how long you need to travel in Paris and the wider region. The Paris Visit catalog is aimed at visitors. You can choose a pass for 1, 2, 3, or 5 days, and the app may show full fare and reduced fare options. Always check the conditions before buying. After selecting your ticket or your pass, the app sends you the payment. Choose a payment method such as a bank card or another available mobile payment option. After payment, the ticket is not yet finished. You must hold the Navigo Pass behind the phone so the app can write the ticket onto the card. When the app says loading done, the ticket or pass has been added to your Navigo card. You can now return to your ticket screen and use the pass on eligible Paris transport services. If the phone app does not work, you can always use a station ticket machine. Choose your language, then select the option to recharge, consult, or buy a pass. The first step is to choose how many cards you want. Each traveler needs their own card. Use the plus or minus buttons and check the total or tap confirm. Here it asks you what type of pass you would like to buy. Again, you have the option to buy single tickets for just individual journeys or passes if you want multi-days covered. If you choose passes, the machine will offer options such as the Navigo one-day pass or the Paris Visit Pass. The one-day pass is useful if you are only here a day, while the Paris Visit Pass is aimed at visitors who will be here a few days. For a Paris Visit Pass, select the duration that matches your stay. Again, you have the option of 1, 2, 3, or 5 days. The machine then asks whether you want the adult fare or child fare ticket. Choose the fare that matches the traveler. After this, you can continue to payment and collect a card and receipt when prompted. That is the full process. If something does not work, first check that the ticket or pass actually loaded onto your phone. You can also use a station ticket machine, or when one is available, ask how the customer service does. But just remember that not every station may have someone available. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip around Paris.